Want to win someone's heart by talking? Want to build a deep relationship and make him fall in love with you? In this video, we are going to share 5 tips for talking that will make him view you from a new perspective and resonate highly on an emotional level. These tips are based on how attraction occurs in our minds. They will help you learn how to talk and impress the man of your dreams. Whether you are just dating or in a long relationship, these tips will help you talk better and make him like you more. So, let's get started until the end. Number 1. Softly mimic his body language. Copy the body movements of your chat partner. If you want someone to like you and have enjoyable conversations, you can use a clever trick known as copying their body movements. This refers to mimicking the gestures that a person makes every time you chat. It may sound weird, but it might make him feel closer to you. Many things our body does without us knowing when talking to others. You might cross your arms, then lean forward or nod your head. These actions tell how you feel and think about what the other person says. You can show someone that you share their thoughts by imitating their body movements. Imagine that you are speaking to a person. They cross their arms, for instance. You could subtly cross your arms sometime later. When they lean forward, you do the same. These acts show that you hear what that person is saying and understand them. In a way, it's talking with their body language. Copying body moves can also make the other person feel more comfortable with you. When people see someone doing the same actions, it makes them feel familiar and trusting. They may not know why they feel nice around you, but copying can do that. Don't forget, when you copy someone, do it gently and like it's natural. You shouldn't make it too obvious or seem like you're joking with them. The key is to feel connected without them noticing. Next time you talk with someone, pay attention to how they move their body. Notice how they move, wave their hands and stand. Then try to quietly copy some of those actions. You might find it is a great way to build a strong relationship and makes conversations easier and more exciting. And don't forget, talking is not only words, but also a lot of that feeling. Without words means you follow some rules and imitate, but one of the easy and strong ways of making happy contact with other people is by copying body language. Try it and see how comfortable it will make your talks and how much people like you even more. Number 2. Exude confidence in your communication. Confidence helps talk well to people. When we see a person who believes in himself or herself, we are more focused and we believe him or her much better. Confidence helps us feel good about ourselves, so we become someone we want to be around. If you want people to like you and enjoy talking with you, being confident is not important. But what does confidence do for our conversations? When we are certain of ourselves, we believe in our skills and abilities. This feeling shows in how we speak and behave, making others feel happy and want to be around us. It's like having a special power that attracts people to us. To talk confidently means talking clearly, looking into people's eyes, and using a strong voice. It indicates that we believe what we say and have earned the right to be heard. The confident fellow does not fear his ideas because he finds conversations enjoyable. Confidence requires practice and time to gain. It has nothing to do with pretending or becoming someone else. It has rather to do with identifying your worth and valuing yourself. When you believe in yourself, so do others in your worthiness. You can have tricks and feel better talking while feeling absolutely confident. For example, you may have your inner voice tell you that you are a pretty nice guy, encouraging you. This practice teaches you to believe in yourself more than your own self-doubt. Another important point about speaking confidently is being good at connecting with others. When we connect, we try to understand each other better, so it becomes easy and even fun to chat. Careful listening and concern for the other's feelings to be heard confidently also build trust because their thoughts matter to us. Finally, using humor in a good way and saying "thank you" can make talks even better. Humor makes conversations enjoyable, while saying "thank you" strengthens relationships. Number 3. Offer solutions, not problems. To make someone like you, be cheerful and cooperate. Offer to help instead of only feeling upset about issues. Let's keep it simple. Imagine you and your crush playing a game. You know some aspects are challenging, but instead of whining, you look for a way to win. Just don't say it's too hard or boring. You can think of ways to succeed. Do the same in real life when you face some problems with your crush. Do not pay attention to only the negative things. Think of the ways you can resolve those together. If you cannot decide where to go on a date, do not argue or whine. Come up with a list of places and choose one that seems the most enjoyable for both. You could say, "What if we visit that new place you mentioned? Then we can do something fun that we both enjoy afterward." Always stay positive and try to agree on things. Pay attention to your crush and show them that their opinions are important. By offering help instead of being upset, it shows you're a kind person who cares about their feelings. It also builds trust and teamwork, which are needed for relationships. If you and your crush have a problem, don't just think about it. Find ways to solve it together. This will show them that you are someone they can trust and that you want to make them happy. Number 4. To show interest and attention, maintain good eye contact. Good eye contact is a way to show you're listening and care about what others say. It's like talking with your eyes. When you look into someone's eyes while they talk, it shows you are paying attention. Think about chatting with a friend about a fun trip. If they look down or away, you might feel upset, thinking they don't care. But if they look into your eyes and nod, you would feel valued and listened to. Also, to make someone love you, have good eye contact. This means looking into their eyes while they talk shows you really care about the relationship. It brings the two of you closer and shows you're focused on the moment. But be careful, don't look too long, or people might feel uncomfortable. Look into their eyes, but also look away sometimes. This shows respect too. In an attempt to win a heart, use good eye contact. Look people in the eye, be a good listener, and let them feel special by giving your attention. Otherwise, such small actions can create solid bonds and abundant love. Number 5. Do not interrupt him when he is speaking. Let him finish his thoughts. When someone is speaking, a person should listen without interrupting. It's like a game, and you have to wait for your friend to finish his turn. Conversations are the same thing. Imagine you are playing with your friend. It is your turn, and you want to tell them about your cool move. But before you finish talking, they start talking about something else. You would feel sad, right? That is how people feel when we interrupt them. They do not get to finish what they wanted to say. Maybe in our minds we think our words mean more, but it does make the time for the person talking hard. If we listen till the end, then those people know we care about what we think they have to say. It's as if we give them something as a gift, to listen to them. They feel like we want to feel when we are speaking. Sometimes we would like to share and narrate the moment to others. However, listening becomes as important as talking. We can wait for our turn. When it is our turn, then we can ask questions or share some of our ideas. Without interrupting, everyone will surely be happy and respected in discussions. We show others that what they have to say is important to us. Let's listen to each other without interrupting and be heard by others. This will allow us to have more positive relationships. So, my dear viewers, use these communication tips to win over your crush. Real connections come from honest and meaningful talks. Good luck, and may love be with you.